In this video, I'll show you how to group a report by dates in Salesforce so you can transform raw records into a structured, time-based view that's easier to analyze. Start by opening the Reports tab and either creating a new report or editing an existing one to access the report builder. Make sure your report includes a valid date or date time field with actual data, such as close date or created date, otherwise grouping won't produce meaningful results. Drag that date field into the Group Rows section, and Salesforce will instantly reorganize your records under date headers. Then, use the drop-down on the Grouped field to choose the level of granularity, whether by day, week, month, quarter, or year, and select calendar or fiscal periods if your org supports them. You can also adjust the sort order to focus on recent activity. This setup improves clarity without changing underlying data. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials.